Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to export Google Contacts to Excel. So start by opening Google Contacts in your web browser and signing in to your Google account that contains your contacts. So click this dots right here, then scroll down and look for contacts and click on it. So once you're here, on the left side, now if you only want specific contacts, you can select them first before clicking export, just like so. Then next, what you need to do is to click the three dots in the top right corner, then click export. So here you have three options. The best options here is to select Google CSV, then click export. Then it will download the CSV file to your computer. So click export, and as you can see, it's now downloaded. So let's open it. So let's locate the downloaded CSV file and double click it to open it in Microsoft Excel. So if it doesn't open automatically in Excel, you can launch Excel, then click open, then select the CSV file. So once your contact appear in Excel, so click file in the top left corner, then scroll down and go to save as. So once you're here, choose a location, then right here, select Excel workbook. You can also rename the file and click save. So your Google contacts are now exported and saved as an Excel spread. Again. So your Google contacts are now exported and saved as an Excel spreadsheet that you can edit, sort, or share. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.